What we're looking at now is logical errors or logic errors. And these are errors in the logic, or that could mean the design of a program. And it's important to say that these are not syntax errors. So syntax errors will stop your program from being compiled or translated. However, with a logic error, the program can be translated or compiled, and it can be run or executed. So the program will actually be able to do something. However, it won't do what was intended. So if we look at an example, then this will become really clear what I'm talking about. So let's say here I want to find the total of two numbers. So I've got two numbers. One of them is A, and that is 5, and another number B, which is 10. And I want to find the total of these two numbers. So I would expect that to be 5 plus 10, or I would expect it to be, therefore, 15. However, what I've got here, and if you notice down here, there's no errors, so there's no syntax errors going on. This program works absolutely fine. And what I've got is I've got A is 5, that's okay, B is 10, that's okay, and then my total is A minus B. So I slipped on the keyboard, instead of pressing plus, I pressed minus. And this here is not correct. And the error I've got is a logical error. So what I'm doing is I'm saying the total is A minus B, which is 5 minus 10. And so therefore this will result in a figure of minus 5. That's not the 15 which I wanted, so this is a logical error. And we'll just look at one more very similar example. And so here, what I've got here is I've got A, B and C, and I want to find the average of A, B and C. So I would add A, B and C together, and I would divide by 3, or in programming I would expect it to look like that. And we've got our A, B and C here, so that's fine. And then we go for this average here, and we've got A plus B plus C divided by 2. So although there's no syntax error, no IDE is going to tell me there's anything wrong with this, I've told the computer to divide by 2, but I'm trying to work out an average, and I should be dividing by 3. So this will give me a logical error. Everything will compile, everything will run, it will do something, but it's not what I actually wanted it to do, and that's a logical error.